A truth hit me yesterday, and I've been up this morning really meditating on it and just really getting more involved in why things are the way they are. And you know what? I realize sometimes we try to sprint in a marathon. When you're building your brand, that's like going through a marathon, literally. You can't sprint in it, because when you try to sprint in a marathon, you wear yourself out. You get tired. You might catch cramps. Something's going to happen. You might decide to give up in the race. So what you do is we are creating our own demise, pretty much, because we're not fully realizing the situation we're in. So take that into consideration. You're building your brand. You're building a business. You're trying to be independent. You want to be able to allow your money to make money instead of just having earned income, working so hard for your money. You want to be able to just enjoy life and be free. You don't want to be in your late 60s, early 70s, finally getting a chance to travel, and you mess around and go walking on a rock, hit a rock and break your ankle or sprain something. I mean, why wait till we old to enjoy life? Why? We can do it now. Literally. We can enjoy life now. We just got to figure out the game, the race. We're trying to do the wrong things. We're wasting money on an image, want to look good, versus investing our money in our brand so that we can be good. It's a big difference than looking good and being good, So I just want to say this. Slow down. Take your time. Get some water. Take your vitamins. And realize what side of the game you're playing on. And if you're getting a marathon, you're trying to build something, it's going to take time. Hold on.